In this example, we need to know how to obtain the graph of y equals square root of x minus 1 from the graph of y equals square root of x. The definition says if we know the graph of y equal f of x, and we try to graph y equal f of x minus k, then we shift the graph of y equal f of x k units to the right. So shift k units, shift the graph of y equal f of x k units to the right. So here we need to know how to obtain the graph of y equals square root of x minus 1 from the graph of y equals square root of x. First, if we let y equal square root of x, this is the graph that we know how to graph. Y equals square root of x, this is how the graph look like. This is y equals square root of x. So first, if we call square root of x to be our f of x, the original function, then would you agree that f of x minus 1 means wherever you see x, you plug x minus 1. So this gave us square root of x minus 1. So now, this tells us that we need to, in other words, using definition, this tells us that we need to shift. So the answer would be we shift the graph of y equals square root of x one unit to the right. So k happens to be 1 in this example. So here, to graph y equals square root of x minus 1, we shift it 1 unit to the right. So we go 1 unit, and then we just do a graph that's parallel to y equals square root of x. So the answer will be this. So this is y equals square root of x minus 1.